12 minutes have gone in this game, and neither of these teams have really taken the charge, or neither of these teams have really looked like they have gained possession. We will have to wait and watch as to who dominates the first half here in the finale of the Bodoland Cem Cup 2025 as well. The floodlights are on, the crowd is all charged up, and some electric scenes out here in Assam. Number 16 from the yellow team, in fact, just having a bit of a chat with the number 11 from the red and blue. Oh, he's lost possession way too easily there. Not really expected that in the midfield, and it's an important position of the field as well, where he's lost that possession. Wanted to just slide that ball between that defender. Just a little bit of space. Thumbs up from the winger there. That's some good work by the defender. Again gives it away. We have seen a lack of consistency, and that will be a foul. Whistle blown by the referee for the second time in this game. Look at that one. Well, that was very late. He was very late and nowhere close to the ball as well. Put that one in. Good piece of defending. Goes down onto the ground and heads it away. Go for it. Will the referee call out a foul on that one? No, he doesn't. Says that the play should keep on going on. Good bit of passing. Will be another throw in here. The pressure has been kept on since a couple of minutes by the team in red and blue. Passes it again. A bit of passing as well. Oh, that one was swift enough. Swiftly done once again, a chance! Good save! He stayed confident, he stayed up high, and that was one of the best chances for the red and blue team to create a mark on this game so easily. We're not done yet. Oh, that's another brilliant save. The number 1. I think that one was called offside, but the first opportunity, my word. Yes, we will have a look at the replay as well, but that was one of the saves of the match already, I feel. Well, couldn't get better than that. It was 1-on-1. It was advantage Team Red. In the end, there you go, the number 10, he had a clean shot at it. Just touches that right thigh of the goalkeeper. In the end, that's all that mattered. This one was an offside, but still look at the athleticism from the goalkeeper as well. He's showing signs that he's not going to back off easily. We've seen some really positive moves coming in from the goalkeeper in these first 15 minutes. Now another chance. They build again, they go again. And the goalkeeper saves it again. Safe hands of the goalkeeper there. Bit of a hustle-tussle going on in the midfield. Number 14 of the yellow team and 10. Good ball there. That's a really good ball coming in. Another opportunity, but looks like a whistle has been blown. Good one-on-one passing as well going on in the midfield. Once again, looking to bisect that ball between those two defenders, but couldn't do that. But they still have the possession again. Such is the good luck of the team in red. Good passing. This is really, really good work there. Just to keep it in check. Once again, brilliantly done. What they have done really well is that they have kept on applying pressure by having that possession of the ball, and that is what I've loved about this team as well. So even now, they are applying all the pressure on the defensive units there, which is such a positive thing to see, especially in the first 20 minutes of the game. Swipes that one in. That one was a poor delivery. Not the best of execution when it comes to finishing here from them, but I think they have done pretty well to keep the ball in their possession, and passing has been quite good as well. Once again, that swift little pass coming in from the left flank. Good pass again. In the midfield. Trying to put it towards the left winger. In turn, gives the ball away to the opposition. Well, the energy was quite high in the last 15 minutes, or last 10 minutes I should say. Just have to keep a note of all of this. Another good pass coming in, this time from the other half of the pitch, but no danger whatsoever. Men in yellow, Kuchelgaon. Like the men in yellow, Kajalgaon. Kuchelgaon constituency in possession of the ball. A bit of passing, gives it away to Kajalgaon constituency. With passing once again, one-on-one, chips that one ahead, a chance, but good presence of mind shown by the goalkeeper as well. He was really challenged there because that could have been a slightest of deflection and the ball would have gone into the net, but the goalkeeper staying very, very alert on that occasion as well. Here comes Kuchelgaon once again. They look pretty composed and pretty solid in the first half of the first half. Number 10 with his left foot, trying to clear it and trying to find the left flank there. Both these teams have relied on the long shots and the long passes as well, which I really not am a big fan of, but that is how football is being played these days. Quick and fast, and they need results pretty quickly. Not always going to win you games, but it is what it is. have to show a bit of patience, have to show a bit of composure. They have to be very, very aware of the fact that it is not going to be a result-oriented game because of their will to go for the result, but in fact, they should go for the efforts. More number of shots on target, more number of possession is surely going to keep each of these teams or either of these teams in maximum contention of being at the top. Once again, you can see such a good piece of work there by Kajal Gao. Couldn't control it there, and that will be a goal kick for the Kachagao constituency here. Really a good chance, but in fact it's been missed by him as well. There we go once again. All up in the air. Oh, that is brilliant work, a chance. Goalkeeper was out in front. Excellent work done by him. Realizing that there was danger and the ball had passed through the defense there. Just charging ahead. He knew it was his area and going for the ball immediately with his hand. We've seen some heroic stuff from both these goalkeepers already. Seems to be a little slow down in play. Once again, Kachagao constituency. Oh, good stuff there, but deflected pretty well by the defender towards the goalkeeper. Well, these two really need to have a good kind of communication and a good kind of chemistry between them, the defenders and the goalkeeper, because we've already seen some mishaps out there. First corner of the game then, and you can hear a roar out there. Really smart stuff. Another moment in this game. Oh, that one was a very poor pass there. And what he has done is that he's ignited the attack for the Kajal Gao constituency. 27 minutes into the game, we're approaching the 30-minute mark, and we still do not have anyone who has taken the lead in this game. Both teams on level. 15 from the Kajagan constituency, I should say. The ball in. Oh, that's a deflection. Took a deflection off his own defender there. And the goalkeeper has done well to get the dive in towards his right and keep the ball away from the back of the net once again. Wow, what a game we're witnessing. Some really high-end action coming in from both sides of the pitch. Shot. Number 8, the right flanker, has to take a throw in now. The coach is pretty animated. They are quite aware that their teams have missed out on a couple of really good opportunities, especially if you're a Kachagao constituency fan. And looks like the players will take refreshments here. Conditions are hot, and we do have that refreshment break. You can see the fans have turned out in numbers. What a moment this is for the footballing fans and the culture out there in Assam as well. I think such a huge count for the finale is no small feat. And you cannot see even a single seat. Really shows how the game has grown, and really shows how the craze of the game is still alive in one of the epicenters of Indian football, Assam.
Edition of Bodoland Cup is coming soon. From the 27th July of this month.
Will be another throw in.
Duranga, Santosh Chaudhary, ISPL, I-League और आज यहाँ पे Bodoland Cem Cup दौरा आपके सामने
goes for the long pass. And the refreshments break as well. One in each half of 2 minutes will be the timely tackle there. The referee says way to move on. Not sure if the Kajalgaon constituency were happy with that. He's taken it quite well towards the right flank once again. The attack is always unlocked from the right side of the pitch when it comes to the attack coming from the Kajargaon constituency. Kajargaon, I should say. Oh, he's just stolen the ball away. Finesse of the guy, isn't it? Once again, but he's lost it. Really smart of him to steal the ball from their own legs. They've gone for the shot, but it's never going to go in from that angle. Number 4 going for shot. Captain not really happy with that effort from the number 4. He feels that he could have done a better job at that one. Sometimes I feel it's been a game of the goalkeepers getting involved way too much. That should have been the defenders tackling that one out. And that is absolutely true. And the chance not really helping because 33 minutes and we do not have any separation here. Teams really seem to be a bit deflated as well. Need to revise some strategies. Number 11, just above goal. Kachagao constituency had a chance and a very, very good one to get ahead in this game. They've already missed out on a very good opportunity as well when the number 4 was one-on-one. In fact, the number 10, beg your pardon, was one-on-one with the goalkeeper. And then have a look at this. That should have at least hit the target, isn't it? Well, he should be looking to hit the target from that angle and from that distance as well. Unfortunately, he hasn't been able to do that. Goalkeeper number 24. Long ball in. Straight towards the opposition. Kajalgaon constituency. Whenever there is something on the field that happens, the crowd is a visible supporter, isn't it? They really see each and every minute thing that goes on at the ground. And yes, oh yes, they do react to it as well. Just like how we saw right now. Kachagao constituency have the possession. A surprising way to get the possession first of all. Number 5 takes it towards the left flank. Oh, he's put the defender on the ground there. 2 defenders now. He's taking way a lot of time, but still has the ball in his possession. Cleared away, not yet cleared away perfectly. Crowd getting into it as well. Goes for the shot once again, really well defended by number 12 of the Kachagao constituency as well. Excellent football. Now the tempo has risen and the aggression is coming forward. Oh, the first booking of the game as well, and a huge cheer from the crowd for that booking for number 15 of the Kajalgaon constituency. He's not at all happy with the call made by the ref, and almost 95% of the times players aren't really happy with the cards being pulled out by the referee, especially in the first half. But unfortunately for the Kajalgaon constituency, they have one yellow card, which is for number 15, the midfielder. That just reached 67,000 players in the Bodoland Cem Cup. Wow. It really is a platform, isn't it, for all these youngsters to showcase what they have to the entire country. Coaches looking relaxed. Absolutely, he won't be relaxed in the second half, that is for sure. They have a lot of work to do. It's nothing but an absolute honor to see these two teams compete out in the finale. Really seen as well that it's pretty little margins separating these two teams. Here comes the pass. Doing quite well. Kajalgaon constituency have made a few good efforts, but I think clearly with the efforts as far as shots on target and shots are concerned, It is the Kachagao. And he wants the ball. Number 10 does really well to deflect it away towards the number 12. But I think even if it was hitting the target, it was safe. But at least he should have hit the target from there. That was pretty close as well as far as distance is concerned. And he should be hitting the target for that one. That is for sure. Good piece of work here. Defensively, they have been pretty solid, the Kajilgaon constituency. Yes, you can say there have been a couple of loopholes in their defense, but so far so good for them as long as the score is 0-0. Even they have some good strikers to the Kajilgaon constituency. Here comes number 17. It's that one in the middle. Not profitable. It's number 4 now. That's a brilliant pass towards the captain. Let's see what the captain can do. Oh, he's done pretty well. Get past number 18. Oh, that's an opportunity. Ballooned up in the air. Wow, this is end-to-end action, especially by the Kachagao constituency. They have done so well in these initial 43 minutes, getting the hang of goalkeepers as well. Once again, the throw in. The referee just has a quiet look at his watch. Just a moment from now, fourth official will display the number of added minutes into this first half. Does well once again. Oh, he's missed that one. He's missed that one. He cannot miss that one from such a Just in such a comfortable position, Kajalgaon constituency have a throw in. Should have been the attack for the Kajalgaon constituency, but now Kajalgaon have the throw in number 5 to take it. Takes it rather quickly, gives it away rather quickly as well. Lots of control there by number 24. Now time for number 4. Here comes number 4. Number 4 to number 7. Once again back towards the defensive lines, but he's opened up space on the right. Here comes number 3, should be passing this one. Oh, that's a very late pass. I knew what he was going to do there, but it was quite late in the end. Now the attack coming in from Kajalgaon constituency as well. Passes it again. Just has a look once again towards the sidelines. They're approaching towards the 45th minute. There you go, 3 minutes of added time as shown by the fourth official. Throw in awarded for Kajalgaon constituency, it seems. Well, neither of these teams have really shown a good amount of character when it comes to finishing. Yes, they have done well in the midfield and also well by taking the ball in the upward areas and towards the dangerous areas of the pitch, but it has not been of any real transition there, as you can see once again. Captain going for a rather extravagant shot, missing out. Once again, the chance. 1.5 minutes done in the added time as well. There you go. They have possession once again. The Kajalgaon constituency. A very good piece of pushing of the ball. Oh, he's trying to sneakingly take that one from his legs. Here's the captain, number 8. Will he go for shot? Oh, that's a beautiful pass. I think he's picked that up a bit late. Has the number 10. Now to number 3. Number 4 with the ball. Number 10. Slides that one in. Chance for a header. Oh, that was an offside, was it? Yes, it was offside. Was it a foul? I think yes, it was a foul. And maybe even the flag might have gone up as well. Nothing separating these two sides. Some enthralling football being displayed here. And away once again. And away once again towards the goalkeeper of the opposition. The crowd will really get into it in the second half. Wouldn't be surprised if we see an even more electric atmosphere than what we're seeing right now. Those fans here go absolutely bonkers for their team. Why not? This is the passion of these fans towards their sides. Kajalgaon once again, number 2, trying to find someone on the right, but instead passes it in the mid. Good stuff. Cannot clear that one away. Still the attack going in. I think this should be the last attack of the first half. And they have done pretty well in order to negate that attack as well. So the referee blows the whistle, indicating halftime here at the Bodoland CEM Cup 2025 finals. And the score from the center is that both of these teams, despite a lot of chances, despite a lot of opportunities, and even a couple of really sitter opportunities, none of these sides have broken the deadlock as of now. And the score from Assam here is Kachugao constituency nil, Kajalgaon constituency nil. And this is half time. We'll see you in the second half.
आप एक तस्वीर की कल्पना कीजिए। सुबह की धूप पहाड़ियों को छू रही है। धीरे धीरे उजाला मैदानों की ओर बढ़ रहा है और उसी रोशनी के साथ बढ़ रही है फुटबॉल प्रेमियों की टोली। सीटी बजती है और कुछ ही पलों में मैदान तालियों और नारों से गूंज उठता है। साथियों, ये तस्वीर असम के एक प्रमुख क्षेत्र बोडोलैंड की वास्तविकता है। बोडो टेरिटोरियल एरिया में बोडोलैंड कैंप कप का आयोजन हो रहा है। ये सिर्फ एक टूर्नामेंट नहीं है, ये एकता और उम्मीद का उत्सव बन गया है।
ছন্দদু ভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গোল।
3,700 से ज्यादा टीमें, करीब 70,000 खिलाड़ी और उनमें भी बड़ी संख्या में हमारी बेटियों की भागीदारी। ये आंकड़े बोडोलैंड में बड़े बदलाव की गाथा सुना रहे हैं। बोडोलैंड अब देश के खेल नक्शे पर, स्पोर्ट्स के मैप पर अपनी चमक और बढ़ा रहा है। साथियों, एक समय था जब संघर्ष ही यहाँ की पहचान थी। तब यहाँ के युवाओं के लिए रास्ते सीमित थे, लेकिन आज उनकी आंखों में नए सपने हैं और दिलों में आत्मनिर्भरता का हौसला है। यहाँ से निकले फुटबॉल खिलाड़ी अब बड़े स्तर पर अपनी पहचान बना रहे हैं। हालीचरण नारजारी, दुर्गा बोरो, अपूर्वा नारजारी, मनबीर बसुमतारी, ये सिर्फ फुटबॉल खिलाड़ियों के नाम नहीं है, ये उस नई पीढ़ी की पहचान है जिन्होंने बोडोलैंड को मैदान से राष्ट्रीय मंच तक पहुंचाया। इनमें से कई ने सीमित संसाधनों में अभ्यास किया, कई ने कठिन परिस्थितियों में अपने रास्ते बनाए और आज इनका नाम लेकर देश के कितने ही नन्हे बच्चे अपने सपनों की शुरुआत करते हैं। आप एक तस्वीर की कल्पना कीजिए। सुबह की धूप पहाड़ियों को छू रही है। धीरे धीरे उजाला मैदानों की ओर बढ़ रहा है और उसी रोशनी
ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিং নি যাদু জাগন ৰঞ্জানাই জংগল ছন্দ দু पाउ पृथ्वी बिटिआरर जयगान जोंनि बड़ोलेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरब आमार बर' भूमि धिलिकाम आमी जोंनि बड़ोलेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन ভূমি ঝিলিকাম আমি ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিং নি যাদু জাগন ৰঞ্জানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড় ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड़ोलेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों आमार बर' भूमि आमार फुटबल खेलिम आमी जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड़ोलेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों ভূমি উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে जलफोरा गोदां सिमांनि रोदा रोदा दिनै जोलुरखौ सारदों बागुरुम्बार तालत कपाव पृथिबी गाय बिटिआर जयगान जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरब आमार बर' भूमि दिलिकाम आमी जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरब आमार बर' भूमि दिलिकाम आमी ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিংনি যাদু জাগন ৰঞ্জানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড চিকিএম কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড় ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों आमार बर' भूमि आमार फुटबल खेलिम आमी जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों ভূমি উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে গোদাং জলফোৰা গোদাং সিমাংনি रोदा रोदा दिनै जोलुरखौ सारदों बागुरुम्बार तालत कपाव पृथिबी गाय बिटिआर जयगान जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरब आमार बर' भूमि दिलिकाम आमी जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरब आमार बर' भूमि दिलिकाम आमी ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিংনি যাদু জাগন ৰঞ্জানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড চিকিএম কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড় ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों आमार बर' भूमि आमार फुटबल खेलिम आमी जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে গোদাং জলফোৰা গোদাং সিমাংনি रोदा रोदा दिनै जोलुरखौ सारदों बागुरुम्बार तालत कपाव पृथिबी गाय बिटिआर जयगान जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरब आमार बर' भूमि दिलिकाम आमी जोंनि रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरब आमार बर' भूमि झिलिका आमी ছন্দদু ভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিংনি যাদু জাগন ৰঞ্জানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড চিএম কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড় ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों आमार बर' भूमि आमार फुटबल खेलिम आमी जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों ভূমি উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে গোদান জলফৰা গোদান सिमांनि रोदा रोदा दिनै जोलुर गोसारदों बागुरुम्बार तालत कपाव पृथिबी गाय बिटिआरर जयगान जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन आमार गौरव आमार बर' भूमि झिलिका आमी जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरव आमार बर' भूमि झिलिका आमी ছন্দদু ভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিংনি যাদু জাগন ৰঞ্জানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড চিএম কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড় ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों आमार बर' भूमि आमार फुटबल खेलिम आमी जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों ভূমি উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে গোদান জলফৰা গোদান सिमांनि रोदा रोदा दिनै जोलुर गोसारदों बागुरुम्बार तालत कपाव पृथिबी गाय बिटिआरर जयगान जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन आमार गौरव आमार बर' भूमि झिलिका आमी जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरव आमार बर' भूमि झिलिका आमी ছন্দদু ভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিষায়াও ড্ৰিবলিং নি যাদু জাগান ৰংজানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড CM কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড়ো ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों आमार बर' भूमि आमार फुटबल खेलिम आमी जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों আপোন বড় ভূমি উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে गोदान जलफोरा गोदान सिमांनि रोदा रोदा दिनै जोलुरखौ सारदों बागुरुम्बार तालत कपाव पृथ्वी गाय बिटिआरर जयगान जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरब आमार बर' भूमि धिलिकाम आमी जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि
straight away, and they have done an excellent job, actually, to be very honest, as well. Right then, we're in the final once again, and none of these teams have really found the back of the net as of now. And it should be a very, very competitive bit of work if any of these teams have to find that elusive goal as well. That will be a throw in for the Kachugao constituency. The Kachugao will have to keep their toes really held high, and they'll have to be really concentrating on the main objective of this game, that is to score a goal, because at the moment Kachugao look like they are nearing towards that chance or that opportunity where they can find the back of the net. Exemplary stuff, and you can all wonder about what going to happen in these last 30 minutes. And 30 minutes of absolutely vital importance when it comes to the Kachugao constituency. Oh, that's some brilliant work, but I think that one goes over the goal once again. "57 minutes gone away in this game. Still the two teams are fighting for that first goal. Number 14 once again. That will be the first substitution. And the first substitution. Of both these teams have been quite compact. They have really prepared for abrasion as well. And I think that is going to be one thing that's really going to matter in this game as well. The defense of the two teams. A bit of passing once again, one-on-one stuff. Once again, an opportunity cleared away by the defender. Good bit of work there. Passes it on towards the left flank, number 14. Back to the captain, number 8. That will be a foul, and that will be a foul at a very, very crucial position here as well for them. Looks like it is going to be a free kick from a...
देखते हैं आज कौन यहाँ पे ट्रॉफी उठाने में माहिर होगा। यहाँ पे कसबा और काजलगांव के बीच बेहतरीन मैच चल रहा है, अभी भी बरकरार है दोनों टीमों के खिलाड़ी। Nigeria champion trophy को लाना है काजलगांव टीम ना कसबा टीम। बेहतरीन कीपर यहाँ पे show in favor of Kazakhstan. कोशिश की थी यहाँ पे कसुगाव द्वारा, लेकिन निशाना चूक गया बाहर की तरफ।
Looks like players are going to take some refreshments.
Absolutely, this is going to be a moment where things will kind of relax for a bit and they'll be all charged up for the last 20 minutes of the game.
Corner kick in favor of Kazakhstan.
It looks like players are quite relaxed from both the teams, Chuba constituency and the Kazilgaon constituency. Still, nothing separates these two sides. We are in the 75th minute of this game, and absolutely nothing separating them. Well, this has to be one of the make or break moments. Some team has to score here, because otherwise we'll be going into extra time. We all know what happens when we go to extra time. Pressure mounts. And more than the pressure, if either of these teams scores a goal in that extra time, just makes it really, really clear and makes that path much more easier for them. Oh, that's a poor clearance. Has to clear it off well. Gives it away to the goalkeeper there. Again, this time Kajalgaon constituency giving the ball away. Number 8 captain has it, and Kuchugao constituency find a way towards goal. Both these teams have been pretty compact defensively. In fact, none of the chances, apart from one chance that came in the first half, early in the first half as well for the Kuchugao constituency, it has been absolutely nothing post that chance as well. That was a one-on-one chance which I really felt could have just turned the game on its head if number 10 from the Kuchugao constituency would have scored. Enthralling stuff out there, isn't it? Passing once again. They're on the counter-attack here. Has to pass the ball a bit more quickly if they have to go all in on the counter-attack. And he loses possession, although it is a throw-in for the men in yellow once again. What's the left flank, loses possession again. That has been the story of this game, isn't it? Lost in possession easily, then takes the position once again, then that's a throw-in for the Kajalgaon constituency, and looks like number 6 is on ground. A late tackle, number 5, beg your pardon. He is on ground here, and he doesn't seem to be in a good condition as well. You have to be very, very careful of the fact that this can be a make or break. Chance there. Cleared away. I think our constituency once again on the attack, on the offensive. They're holding them, the Kuchugao constituency, holding them pretty well. Push and a turn. Another throw in. Clears away once again. Huge turnout for this game as well in Assam. Of course, we had the Chief Minister's address before the game, and we had some really special performances in the half time as well. For the goalkeeper, showing what is done. Gets it done pretty well. That's a good pass. That's a good move. Goes for shot. Oh, that's a good save. Boy, that was a good save. He was flying all over. Maybe had the ball got more power on it, it would have been rather simple. Once again, he took that shot from a long distance as well. Did the number 10 from the Kachugao constituency. Good work, number 8. Oh. Brilliant work done towards the left flank now. We're on the counter attack, goes for goal! Just touches fingertips of the goalkeeper and goes past. In fact, didn't even touch him. That was a really difficult angle to score from. This is the previous chance. The goalkeeper was flying up, couldn't grasp onto that one. Good shot by the number 10 though. Had there been more power on that one, it would have been tough for him. Once again, 10 minutes left in this game, in the normal time, and then we go to extra time. Passing from Kachugao constituency. These are crucial moments, as we already mentioned. Fish. Oh, that's been taken well. That's been taken well on the second attempt, actually. Good work done. Once again, Kachugao constituency have got the possession. All these attempts, but none of the attempts have been really outright, where you are almost certain that they're going to score. Oh, it's the coach there. Bit of a whisper from the crowd as well. Taking that one really well once again. Number 11, once again, that has been called as an offside. The flag has been raised. Number 11 is complaining about that call because he felt that he was right on the line. But it really seemed like if he was in an offside position. Bit of good passing. Crucial stages of passing as well. Oh, that is really sloppy from him. No coordination amongst the midfielders at all. Number 7, number 3, both of them looking at each other as to who's going to take the ball first. And in the end, nobody does that. Well, you can see on the sidelines, 2 substitution waiting for the Kachugao constituency. Number 6, number 5, ready to go on, ready to roar out there. It will be an offside as expected. Yeah, the referee has now called for the substitutions to take place, so it will be There you go, number 11, number 7 coming out for number 6, number 5, a midfielder and an attacker. So a bit of a positive call by the coach of the Kachugao constituency. He feels like he wants to finish the game. He should finish the game in these 90 minutes. He doesn't want to go to extra time. What a moment it will be if the match goes into extra time, isn't it? It's been absolutely tremendous throughout the game. Has been number 8 and number 10 of the Kachugao constituency. Now it's time for number 6, number 5 to show what they've got. And if they can make an impact early, I think that will be one of the master strokes of this tournament. The Bodoland Cem Cup 2025 saw lots of illustrious victories in this tournament before as well. And of course, this year has been no short. 2025 has been one of the most explosive years when it comes to chance once again. One of the defenders is on the ground. Will he go for the shot? Oh, some really high pressure moments here. That will be an offside. Oh my word. They would have had their heart in their mouth. Kachalgaon constituency. And they would have been hoping for the defender to at least get up and help with the defending part, because he has still remained on the ground, so the referee is convinced that it is something really serious. It's got the physio on as well. Makes it almost sure that it is something to be taken care of. Goal kick. An opportunity, good defending. Their defense has been spot on, especially in the second half for the Kachugao constituency. It's been an absolute cracker-jacker of the game. Although it has been a goalless one fight, but it has been one of the fights. This is high quality stuff here. Oh, an opportunity. The goalkeeper has come out way in front. The ball was still rolling. He was never going to get a good connection on that one. Never. That is it. 4 minutes of added time. Referee gives them a chance to score. It's going to be a nail-biting finish here to it. Either of these teams scored. I mean, the stadium will absolutely erupt if that happens. Here comes Kachugao constituency with the possession once again. Number 14. Give it to number 5. Oh. Bit of a hustle-tussle between the two defenders of the Karjalgaon constituency. And it looks like there will be some time for the injury that will be treated. Physio's back on the field once again. Slightly seconds more than 3 minutes left in this game for full time, as the substitutes have a keen eye on this game. They might be called any time into this game and they instantly have had to make an impact in this tournament. We've seen that on quite a few occasions as well. That is the role of a substitution. Number 5, number 6 was brought on by the Kachugao constituency, not really making that big of an impact still. Certainly they will be looking to do so. Here comes number 9. Where is the start? Oh, Sloppy, that's a chance. That's a big, big chance. Oh, two defenders on the ground. My word. Would eagerly be wanting that number 12 to come back on the field there. That was a missed opportunity once again. So many chances that Kachugao constituency feel like they should be scoring from. But in the end, they've just messed that up. This one, oh my word, that one was a chance of the half or the match as well, I feel. So, number 14, I think he took a bit too much of an effort there, and then the defender could get into his position quite securely. And it was too late up till here. And I'm not too happy with the number 14. He wanted the number 14 to just go for the goal there. Not really do some swivel and turns and dribbles. Final minute of the match remaining. The referee has pulled out a yellow card. We will soon have confirmation as to who that yellow card has been given to. It's like it's number 15 from the Karjalgaon constituency. So, second yellow of the match. Still have a long way to go in this game. Headed away. Danger averted as of now for the Kachugao constituency. Yeah, that's quickly done. Another stoppage in play. Another call for a physio. Looks like he's not in a good state to get up. Looks like it's left knee. Maybe getting that impact from the midfielder there. Back up on his feet, so nothing really serious. Just wanted to have a stoppage. The Karjalgaon constituency defender. Looks like he'll have to sit out for a minute just because he called the physio there. Perfectly fine. Kachugao constituency. One final chance it feels for them. It's in a very good position now. It has gone away. two defenders, now three coming in. Oh, that's a good ball in. Couldn't control it. Couldn't control it with his chest. Full-time whistle blown here at the Bodoland CEM Cup 2025. And nothing separates the two teams. 0-0 is the score after 90 minutes. And there you go. That's the scorecard. Hasn't troubled the scorers yet, except for those two yellow cards. And after 90 minutes here in the finals, it is Kachugao constituency nil, Kajalgaon constituency nil as well. We'll soon have a confirmation as to what will happen here. Will it be an extra time clash or will it be penalties that are going to be fought for? Looks like it is going to be penalties. We will soon have confirmation from the ground as to what exactly is going to be the status here. Minutes done. Looks like the match commissioner is having a talk with the two captains as well. But wow, we've seen some magic in the 90 minutes, especially defensively. Nothing, I repeat, nothing separates them. We'll see you in just a short while. The score as of now from full time is Kachugao constituency nil, Kajalgaon constituency nil as well. Don't go anywhere.
Most exciting जबर मुझी छावना खेला बेहाय मोन्नैबो हानजानि गेजेराव
ছন্দদু ভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিং নি যাদু জাগন ৰংজানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড CEM কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড়ো ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों आमार बर' भूमि आमार फुटबल खेलिम
Now we will have another 10 minutes. 10 minutes, that is 20 minutes. More exciting, most exciting. जबर मुझी छावना गेलेनाय नोंथांमोननि गेजेराव आरोबाव 20 मिनिटनि थाखाय नुनो मोनसिगोन मोन्नैबो हानजानि गेजेराव. Scoreboard is still 0-0 so far.
10 minutes of extra time in each half, so 20 minutes of total extra time, and that will be 10 and 10. Chance, headed away. This should be the first goal. No, what a good defensive work there. Extraordinary defending by the last man there from the Kajalgaon constituency.
What a defensive यहाँ पे
Well, that has to be one of the best plays of the game here. Have a look at that. Extraordinary work. The goalkeeper flying.
आपस में
Well, he should have been scoring from there. But in the end, it was the defender who did the work. Goalkeeper deserves some really high appreciation as well, because he has done the work
समाप्त हो चुका है
pretty well.
लेकिन यहाँ पे स्कोरबोर्ड पर गोल का कोई नजर नहीं आ रहे हैं अभी तक क्योंकि ये फाइनल का तरफा है और आज नहीं तो कभी नहीं जो जीतेगा वही सिकंदर
So yeah, here we go again. Number 10 once again. Oh, that's a delightful ball. Oh, that's headed. And headed away for a goal kick as well.
अभी भी
Should have done well there. The goalkeeper just fisting that one away.
किसी टीम ने अभी तक खाता नहीं खोला है तो मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे बेहतरीन आगे से भी इससे भी बेहतरीन मैच और मुकाबला अब देखने को मिलेंगे
That is surely got to be more to this game.
इस बार साथ नहीं दिया
Full of twists and turns and a lot of
शून्य में प्राप्ति है स्कोरबोर्ड पर
unexpected surprises as well. And the team scores here surely on top. Bit of a push. That will be a throw in once again. Really gone where nobody expected it to go. Kachigao constituency. Favorites, I must say. Favorites of the crowd. And by the way that they've played today are the favorites as well. Really good work. Really good work. But it looks like this game is just gonna get a bit more stringent from time. 95 minutes done in this game. Still 5 minutes of extra time remaining in the first half, and then another 10 minutes remaining in the second half as well. And then, even then, if the scores are tied, we go to penalties. So, pretty long bit of delay here. To be very honest, it's been an extraordinary piece of work by both these teams. They're not giving away any goals. It shows that the defense has been absolutely on point. And their attack, I mean, has been good at times, especially for the men in red and blue, but it has been the defense of the boys in yellow that has really outsmarted them on a few occasions as well. Referees, it's a tough job for the referees as well. They've been officiating since a long time. They've been running on the pitch since a long time as well, so it drains them a lot physically and mentally as well. By them, throw in once again. Headed away, the goalkeeper is off his line. Will be another throw in for the constituency. Bodoland CM Cup 2025 has provided a lot of surprises throughout this tournament, and it's nothing short of a mega surprise this one as well. Number 15 coming in place of number 14.
Jersey number 15 is
A
in
really
and
offensive option opted by the coach there.
out from the team
And they've made 4 substitutions now, so they'll have to be a bit wary about what they plan to do next. In fact, on the other hand, Rajalgaon constituency have managed not to complete even a single substitution. They've still got 2 yellow cards there. Cleared away once again. Offensive brilliance shown by the men in red. Owen once again. "98 minutes done in the game." Crowd has gone a bit silent here. I was expecting a really enthralling game of football, but it has gone silent. It's not really good to see that. You would want some energy on the field now. Especially you would want the crowd to be on your side as well. Goes for the shot. It's nowhere to be in sight of the goal. I don't know why he's going to try the shot from so far away. The number 10. Seconds left in the completion of this one now. That's a good one. Oh, but not really far enough. Need to be able to take that. This has to be the chance. This has to be the moment. It is the moment. The Kachugao constituency and the iconic Cristiano Ronaldo celebration from the number 6. The coach is off his bench, and why not? This has to be the moment of the game. Smiles on the faces of everyone out here, because it's the home side that has scored, and it has scored in the 100th minute of the game as well. This surely has to be one of the most dramatic finishes in a football game here. The Bodoland CEM Cup 2025 is surely and surely going the Kachugao constituency's way, it seems. And what a brilliant pass from the midfielder to give that opportunity and to create that kind of open space. I don't think the Kajalgaon constituency even expected the ball to come that well, but it did, and it went into the back of the net as well. You cannot blame the goalkeeper on that occasion. No, that is sloppy. Now it's the pressure that's calling, isn't it? It is the pressure that's calling. He blows the whistle once again. 100 minutes done. It's 1-0 for the Kachugao constituency. And the referee says just a couple of minutes and then we go back for the second half of extra time as well. After the first half of the extra time, it's 1 for the Kachugao constituency as they lead in this encounter.
दूसरी पारी का दूसरी समय यानी 10 मिनट अभी भी समय है हाथ में काजलगांव के लिए रिटर्न गोल देने के लिए एक उम्मीद के साथ एक जज्बात के साथ एक विश्वास के साथ यहाँ पे काजलगांव और काजलगांव के बीच आखिरी 10 मिनट पे यहाँ पे काजलगांव द्वारा एक गोल देने में कामयाब और यहाँ पे छोटा सा ब्रेक समय जितना ही कमी हो रहा है उतना ही ये मैच मजेदार हो रहा है पहले से बेहतर नजर आते हुए यहाँ पे दोनों टीमों के खिलाड़ी मैदान में साइड मैदान पर और बहुत ही खूबसूरत नजारा यहाँ पे दर्शकों के साथ भरा हुआ पूरी की पूरी यहाँ पे स्टेडियम सारी तरफ काउंसिल लेवल फाइनल में बोडोलैंड सीएम कप द्वारा 2025 का
Just 7 minutes remaining in this game now. 103 minutes done. And it clearly looks like another opportunity. Another one. And another one bites the dust. The game is sealed here. Number 15 scores for the Kachugao constituency, the home ground for them. And the fans are really, really pumped up to see their side lift the trophy here. 2-0. It's quite evident now that there's no coming back for the Kajalgaon constituency as well. One of the easiest finishes you would see. But then the goal was constructed in such a manner. Number 5 doing the assist and number 15 scoring as well. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Kajalgaon constituency will have to do something out of this universe, I would say, to get back into this game. They need to score 2 goals in 5 minutes and against a team that has been pretty solid.
Replacement of substitution player, jersey number 6 is in, and jersey number 14 is out of the Kajalgaon.
Brilliant, brilliant goal. Absolutely brilliant. Finishes off in style. What a finish as well. Look at that. Wow. Once again, number 3. What a game of football this has been. It has taken a while for the Kachugao constituency to score, but they've scored really on time, isn't it? Scored these 2 goals out of nowhere. That has been the turning point of this game as well. Absolutely brilliant. Blockbuster stuff, if I can call that. There's a corner for Kajalgaon. They take it very quickly. Oh, it's straight towards number 10 on the counter attack now. Kachugao constituency, well, they will be fancying their 3rd goal here. That's a brilliant pass. Number 15 again. Receives. Goes with the right foot now, a deflection. That will go for a corner as well. Everything going right for the Kachugao constituency here. They've been absolutely brilliant. This is the goal as well. You have a look at the replay. That was the goal that sealed the deal. 2-0. A difference of 2 goals now. It's clearly very, very tough for them to score. If you can say for the Kajalgaon constituency. Another corner which will be taken rather gently and rather slowly by the Kajalgaon constituency here. Here comes the effort once again. Yellow card. It's called for a foul from outside as well. You can see the announcements as well. Absolutely brilliant, isn't it? This has been some match. Fans have stayed for the entirety of the match as well. That is one big thing as well.
सम दङ बल सोफिननो हानायनि
1.5 minutes left in this game. I'm sure there will be no additional time here. Looks like the managers is coming on the pitch. This game is done. This game is absolutely done here, it seems. Even the players know the results now.
गाजलगांव के लिए अभी भी समय है हाथ में ये मैच हासिल करने के लिए
Sad to see the stretcher being pulled out.
क्योंकि हर बड़े मैच में आखिरी मिनटों में कुछ चमत्कार हमें देखने को मिलते हैं तो अभी भी बरकरार है गाजलगांव के लिए
Good work, yeah. Really good work. Two minutes of added time. Looks like there's been a substitution called for the Kajalgaon constituency as well. For the shot, it's gone away. Number 12 comes in for the Kajalgaon constituency. Number 15 goes out. Just to get some good game time for him for a couple of minutes. In fact, it's 1 minute. We've reduced that time. Just gonna count as really good stuff. Well done once again. 38 seconds now on the clock, 20 seconds to go. It will be the Kajalgaon constituency who are going to be celebrating. Going to be celebrating really well now as well. That is the full-time whistle. That is the victory whistle for the Kajalgaon constituency. 2-0 is what they've scored. He is one happy manager. He is one happy coach on the bench as well. And that is one happy team as they won the finals of this Bodoland CM Cup 2025. They'll be going home with the trophy. And what a day it has been for the Kajalgaon constituency as well. A smile on the goalkeeper's face.
बे समाव भलेन्टियार्स बिथांमोनखौ गोख्रोङै जोंनि ट्रेकआव लाइन आप जानानै थानो थाखाय खावलायबाय मानो होनबा जोंहा पाब्लिक थामहिनबा रायजो राजा बिथांमोना जाहाथे सिङाव थाङा आं बेखौ खावलायबाय बेखिनि समाव रायजो राजा बिथांमोना जाहाथे ग्राउन्डनि फारसे सिङाव हाबलाङा आं खावलायबाय एसे गोजानाव थाथ' अन्नानै बे समाव जोङो लाइट श' हाबाफारिखौ मावफुंनोसै आरो बे समाव जोंहा फ्लाड लाइट अपारेटर बिथांखौ जोंनि फ्लाड लाइटखौ
ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিংনি যাদু জাগান ৰঞ্জানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড CEM কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড়ো ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों आमार बर' भूमि आमार फुटबल खेलिम आमी जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों
To the Kajalgaon constituency nil after 120 minutes of enthralling footballing action here at the Bodoland CEM Cup 2025 finals. Good night and see you again.
जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरब आमार बर' भूमि दिलिकाम आमी ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিংনি যাদু জাগান ৰঞ্জানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড CEM কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড়ো ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों आमार बर' भूमि आमार फुटबल खेलिम आमी जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে গোদাং জলফৰা গোদাং सिमांनि रोदा रोदा दिनै जोलुरखौ सारदों बागुरुम्बार तालत कपाव पृथिबी बिटिआरर जयगान जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर গেলে গান আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি ধিলিকাম আমি জন্নি বড়লেন রাইজনি জন্নি জেলার গেলে গান আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি ধিলিকাম আমি ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিষায়াও ড্ৰিবলিং নি যাদু জাগান ৰংজানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড CM কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড়ো ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों आमार बर' भूमि आमार फुटबल खेलिम आमी जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে গোদাং জলফৰা গোদাং সিমাংনি ৰদা ৰদা দিলে জলৰ গছাৰদোं বাগৰুম্বাৰ তালত কপাও পৃথিৱী গাই বিটিয়াৰৰ জয়গান जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি ধিলিকাম আমি जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি ধিলিকাম আমি ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিষায়াও ড্ৰিবলিং নি যাদু জাগান ৰংজানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড CM কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড় ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों आमार बर' भूमि आमार फुटबल खेलिम आमी जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে গোদাং জলফৰা গোদাং সিমাংনি ৰদা ৰদা দিলে জলৰ গছাৰদোं বাগৰুম্বাৰ তালত কপাও পৃথিৱী গাই বিটিয়াৰৰ জয়গান जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি ধিলিকাম আমি जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি ধিলিকাম আমি আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों আমার গরু ভূমি আমার ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों আপন বড় ভূমি উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে गोदान जोलोफोरा गोदान सिमांनि रोदा रोदा दिनै जोलुरखौ सारदों बागुरुम्बार तालत कपाव पृथिबी गाय बिटिआरर जयगान जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি দিলিকাম আমি जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি দিলিকাম আমি ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিংনি যাদু জাগান ৰংজানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড CM কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড়ো ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों আমার বড় ভূমি আমার ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों আপন বড় ভূমি উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে गोदान जोलोफोरा गोदान सिमांनि रोदा रोदा दिनै जोलुरखौ सारदों बागुरुम्बार तालत कपाव पृथिबी गाय बिटिआरर जयगान जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি দিলিকাম আমি जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি দিলিকাম আমি ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিংনি যাদু জাগান ৰংজানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড CM কাপলৈ বড় ভূমি
here at Sai Stadium in connection with Bodoland CM Cup 2025 Council level Grand Finale competition. First of all, we have felicitation to officials. First of all, Baburam Deimari, Bishojit Boro, Leven Deimari, Hemento Boro, Kanak Boro, Zangsar Bosumutari, Somor Goyari, Shamdan Bosumutari, Dananjai Bosumutari, Monindra Urao, Tanak Bosumutari, Nabajit Bosumutari, Ridoy Brahmo, Rabi Goyari, Sike Brahmo Narjari, and Habibullah Fardows. May I request our Honorable EM Sports Daubai Saboro to felicitate our officials with Bodo Traditional Aronai, one by one. And Co-Chairman, Council Level Conduct Committee, Bodoland CM Cup. Pankaj Ram Boro, Match Commissioner. Third place ni जोंहा जम दुवार हानजाखौ थाबैनो फैनो खावलायबाय. Okay. Thank you, Honorable EM Sports Daubai Saboro, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now the third place, Jamdua. And in this connection, may I request Honorable Speaker, BTCLA, Srijut Katiram Boro, to hand over the trophy along with medals to the third place Jamduar team. And also I requested our Honorable EM Ranjit Basumutari to hand over the check of rupees 50,000 to the team Jamduar for the third place. They are kai khopnane ho boyba. The third place for the Bodoland CM Cup 2025, the team Jamduar.
हात सापरि দিব সকলোৱে আখাই খপাই থানাंगौ The check of rupees 50,000 presented by Honorable E.M. Ranjit Basumachari sir. Thank you sir. And also I request Mr. Katiram Boro, Honorable Speaker, BTCLA, to hand over the third place trophy to the team Jamduar. Honorable MLA Ziron Bosomotari also joining, the local MLA from Gosaigao and Jamduar apart. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now the best player. And in this connection, may I request Honorable EM Sports Daubai Saboro to hand over the trophy, and also may I request our Hemendranath Brahmhosar to hand over the check of rupees 10,000 to the best player, and it goes to Sir Mandang. It goes to jersey number 6 Urkau Musahari from the Kasuga. From the team Kasugao. The best player of today's match, council level final competition, Bodoland CM Cup, Urkau Musahari, jersey number 6 from Kasugao. And wildcard is ready for the upcoming Bodoland Cup. Thank you, both the honorable sir. Ladies and gentlemen, again, the best goalkeeper. The best goalkeeper will receive check of rupees 10,000 by Dr. Sangram Brahmo and will receive trophy by Pratibha Brahmo KMB Chairperson. May I request both the dignitaries for the presentation and the best goalkeeper. It goes to jersey number 24, Gola Brahmo from the Kasugao. And Bodoland FC is waiting for the Bodoland Cup, Mr. Gola Brahmo. Thank you, sir and madam, for presenting the trophy and check of rupees 10,000 to best goalkeeper to Gala Brahmo. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now the runners-up trophy. As you know, the runners-up team, Kajelgaon. In this connection, may I request Honorable MP Joint Bosomachari for the handing over the trophy. And also I request Jigme Thinlen Namgyal, Consul General, for the presentation of check of rupees 1 lakh to the runners-up team, Kajelgaon. First of all, felicitation to the runners-up team members by MP Jayanto Basamutari. The runners-up trophy to the Kajalgaon team by Honorable MP Jayanto Basamutari. And check of rupees 1 lakh by Jigme Thinlen Namgyal, Consul General of Bhutan in Guwahati, Assam. Thank you, sir, for presenting the trophy and check. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, last but not the least, now trophy. And may I request Honorable Cabinet Minister, Government of Assam, Srimati Nandita Garlosa, to hand over the trophy and medals to the champion team. And may I request Honorable Mathop Chetri to hand over the check of rupees 1,50,000 to the champion team. Srimati Nandita Garlosa, Sports Minister, Government of Assam, presenting the trophy to the champion team Kosugao, and Honorable Mathop Chetri will hand over the check of 1,50,000. And Kosugao local EM Sir Ukil Musahari also joining here, and TCLCC Chairman Thomas Basumutari also here with the team members, team coach, team manager, and our local active leader Somnath Narzari GV yaha hai. Celebrating the victory of first ever Bodoland CM Cup. Now the champion trophy to the champion team by Srimati Nandita Garlasa and checked by Srijut Madhav Chetri. Hip hip, hip hip. Areka Sugao. Hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. Huge congratulations to the team champion Kasugao for lifting the champion trophy.
আপন বড় ভূমি উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে গোদাং জলফৰা গোদাং সীমাংনি ৰদা ৰদা দিলে জলৰ গোসাৰদৈ বাগৰুম্বাৰ তালত কপাও পৃথিৱী ডাইবিটিয়াৰৰ জয়গান जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি দিলিকাম আমি जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি দিলিকাম আমি ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিং নি যাদু জাগন ৰংজানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড CM কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড় ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों আমার বড় ভূমি আমার ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों উজ্জ্বলি উঠিছে সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে গোদাং জলফৰা গোদাং সীমাংনি ৰদা ৰদা দিলে জলৰ গোসাৰদৈ বাগৰুম্বাৰ তালত কপাও পৃথিৱী ডাইবিটিয়াৰৰ জয়গান जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি দিলিকাম আমি जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों আমার গৌরব আমার বড় ভূমি দিলিকাম আমি ছন্দ দুভৰি খেল হব গতিৰ হব হৃদয়তে গ'ল বড়োলেণ্ড ৰাইজনী বিখায়াও ড্ৰিবলিং নি যাদু জাগন ৰংজানাই জংগল সকলোৱে মিলি সাজু হলো আমি বড়োলেণ্ড CM কাপলৈ আমাৰ বড় ভূমি আমাৰ ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि मुं लाखिगोन जों আমার বড় ভূমি আমার ফুটবল খেলিম আমি जोंनि गोग्गानाय जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजो সমন্বয়ৰে উৎসৱ নামিছে गोदान जलफोरा गोदान सिमांनि रोदा रोदा दिनै जोलुरखौ सारुदों बागुरुम्बार तालत कपाव पृथिबी गाय बिटिआरर जयगान जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि जोंनि जोलुर गेलेगोन जों आमार गौरव आमार बर' भूमि धिलिकाम आमी जोंनि बड'लेण्ड रायजोनि